Let's work through an example of solving a multi-step equation using the distributive property. Solve 1/3 multiplied by the difference of 27x and 3 equals 7.2x plus 10.7 subtract 0.8x. First, perform the distributive property. Distribute 1/3 to both terms inside the parentheses by multiplying 1/3 by 27x and multiplying 1/3 by -3. One-third multiplied by 27x equals 9x. 1/3 multiplied by -3 equals -1. Next, combine like terms. 7.2x and -0.8x are like terms. Since 7.2x and -0.8x are on the same side of the equal sign, we add them. 7.2x plus -0.8x equals 6.4x. (9x) and 6.4x are like terms. Since 9x and 6.4x are on opposite sides of the equal sign, we must perform an inverse operation. 6.4x is positive. The opposite of a positive is a negative. Subtract 6.4x from both sides of the equation. (6.4x subtract 6.4x equals 0. 9x subtract 6.4x equals 2.6x. Next, add or subtract to isolate the variable. Add 1 to both sides of the equation. 1 is being subtracted from the x term. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. (1 plus 1 equals 0. 10.7 plus 1 equals 11.7. Last, multiply or divide to isolate the variable. 2.6 is multiplied by x. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. Divide 2.6 from both sides of the equation. 2.6x divided by 2.6 equals 1x. 11.7 divided by 2.6 equals 4.5. The solution to the equation is x equals 4.5. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!